welcome back to George's Things. So in today's video we will be doing the unboxing of the Ubiquiti USW-Flex-Mini. So this is a small compact 5-port gigabit switch, okay? The features of it are it can be powered by a unified PoE switch. Okay, so you can power it with 802.3 AF on the port 1 on it. It can also be powered by a USB-C power adapter, which it comes with. Okay, it's got 5 gigabit Ethernet ports and it's energy efficient. Okay, and the max power draw of it is 2.5 watts. It is supported and managed by Unified Network, and I will show you the adoption of it in Unified Network in the next video. Okay, so in here we get a USW-Flex-Mini, a power adapter which is 5 volt to 1 amp, and a quick start guide. Okay, so I've already had this open. So we open it up here, like this. Okay. So first you have on the right hand side, or the left hand side, is a power adapter with a EU plug. So since I'm in the UK, I will need a travel adapter for it, so in this case it's a shaver adapter. So that's inside. Next in here we have the switch itself. So it's got 5 ports. This port is the PoE in, and this small black dot is the status LED, which is blue when it's in normal operation and then white when you're adopting it and that. And I'll put a link in the description to what all of the things mean to Ubiquiti's website. So on the right hand side is a small little piece of text which says, when the link lights green, it means the device that's plugged into this supports gigabit Ethernet, and when it's orange it means it supports megabit Ethernet, okay, and when it's off it's obviously down. So underneath this we have a rubber mat, okay, which is good for like non-slip on a desk, okay. It's got a USB-C power input on the back, okay, and you've also got your reset hole on the bottom of it, okay. Got a lovely Ubiquiti logo right inside. So also in here you get a quick start guide in its lovely plastic container, and here you can also download it so you can scan the QR code or go to ui.com/qsg/usw-flex-mini. Okay, so that's a quick unboxing of the USW-Flex-Mini. So in my next video I will be doing a setup of this and adoption of it into Unified Network. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Hope you have a great day. Bye. So welcome back. So here we are in Unify, as you can see. So here I have my first USW-Flex-Mini that I unboxed. Well, second one, which is disconnected at the moment. So here we are in Unify. So on the details about it, so you can see on the overview the MAC address, model, the software version, the IP address, temperature. Although you can't see the CPU temperature because there's no sensor. It shows you the uptime of it and the memory usage at the moment. So on the uplink you can see which port the uplink's on, so port 1, and you can see the speed of it, the duplex, you can see how many packets have been downloaded and uploaded. Also you can see all the downlinks like other switches. So here on the clients tab you can see the 3 clients. So one's the main uplink, one's my Raspberry 400, and one's my smart TV. Okay. So here on the port you can edit the names of them. So I've named my uplink one uplink, I've also got my Raspberry 400, which is gigabit Ethernet, hence why you can see the green square and the yellow on the other ones. So I've named it Raspberry 400, which is my unified controller, and I've got my Bush Smart TV on it too. So you can edit the names of the ports. So here you see I've named mine uplink, and then you can add switch port profiles to them, and you can do all sorts with them. These are really good managed switches. So on this configuration tab, you can see, so you can still see the ports and that. So you can change the alias of it, and the alias is the name of it. Okay, just make this a bit bigger. Okay. So, and then the LED, the status LED, which I was talking about, that black dot, which you can just see here too. So you can say if you want it on or off, or use the site settings. Okay. So like basically using the site settings, you can, if they're all on that, you can go onto the site settings and turn all the lights on and all the lights off. Okay. So on this services tab here, you can control the VLANs and change the management VLAN. On this network tab, you can configure the IP address of it, static or DHCP. On the managed device thing here, you can copy the configuration of it. So if you're setting up multiple ones, you want them to be set up the exact same way. You can do it with these. You can custom upgrade it, so you can basically go to like the Ubiquiti website and copy the URL for the update file, or you can just update it automatically on here. You can force it to provision to apply all like the latest settings to it and that, which automatically does when you have changed the setting and saved it. You can forget the device and download device info on it, and on the common settings it's just going to the switch ports profiles on settings. Okay. So here we've got stats. So you can see the memory one here, but if you click on it, it will bring up a new window. So here, close that. So here you can see the average. Here you can see the user count of it and the CPU load average. So here. These are all the dates in February, since it's February now. It's the 24th, so